This is the Fyra 12 wood pellet pizza oven, an updated take on the original Ooni oven, which was the world's first portable pellet-fueled pizza oven. The Fyra 12 was designed to provide a no-nonsense live fire experience and intense flavors. It's fueled by Ooni's sustainably sourced hardwood pellets for consistently high heat and low maintenance cleanup. A convenient gravity-fed hopper replenishes the fuel tray automatically, so you spend less time topping up your supply and more time perfecting your pizza. The Fyra 12 was made for adventurers. At just 22 pounds, it's ultra-portable, making it great for camping trips, tailgates, and anywhere you might conceivably want pizza and more. True to Ooni form, it heats up in a matter of minutes, then maintains that incredible heat to cook restaurant-quality pizza in just 60 seconds. Inside, a cordierite baking stone gives you the space to cook and turn 12-inch pizzas. When you're done, the chimney and hopper detach and the legs fold away, so you can store it away easily or take it on the go. The Fyra 12 is an ideal companion for making everyday moments something to celebrate, wherever you might happen to be. This oven holds a special place in our hearts, and we look forward to sharing it with you.